Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits, local news and events happening around town, giveaways, and lots of masti. This is Namaste Radio. Every Sunday, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. on 1050 a.m. Studio line 713-984-1013. Listen online at namasteradiohouston.com. Download the app, available on your Android and iPhone. Modern Indian Radio.
COVID-19 has created an enormous health crisis and changed the way we perceive our everyday lives. We need something to prevent the spread of infectious diseases.
Don't worry, FaciliClean is here. Yes, FaciliClean is a trusted name when it comes to cleaning services in the greater Houston area and is a premier full-service cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting company. With the state-of-the-art equipment, technology, and certified technicians, FaciliClean offers high-production spraying, disinfectant fogging, facility wipe-down, stream clean, and preventative solutions.
FaciliClean is committed to helping their clients keep their facilities, tenants, and employees safe, and also available on nights and weekends.
Call us today for a free quote, 713-234-5003. That's 713-234-5003. And like FaciliClean on Facebook and Instagram.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल, आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at Maharaja Bhog.
Are you feeling down, dull, and tired? Don't lose yourself in this pandemic. Let us help you get out of this cocoon feeling beautiful and relaxed. Rediscover yourself at the Classy Divas Salon and Spa.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Arling's or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Arling's is here to make those moments happen. Arling's Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery, and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल ऑफ ह्यूस्टन आप सबको महासिद्धि विनायक उत्सव के लिए आमंत्रित करता है. 22 अगस्त से 1 सितंबर तक महापूजा 5:30 बजे, महाआरती 6:30 बजे. Join with your family for Ganesh Darshan. Masks are mandatory and please maintain 6 feet distance. You can also see live puja and aarti on Facebook page. Visit Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple on Facebook. Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple of Houston located है 5645 Hillcroft, Suite 701 पे. आज ही कॉल कीजिए पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी को 832-466-9868.
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugarland, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Namaste Radio.
All the hits. The #1 hit music station.
Hi sir, that's exactly what I was trying to do. लेकिन थोड़ा मेरी साउंड इधर उधर हो गई, लेकिन कोई परवाह नहीं है क्योंकि ये है नमस्ते रेडियो जो आप सुनते हैं हर संडे 1 से 5 बजे। 5 उससे याद है संदीप, तुम जब सिद्धि विनायक का ऐड कर रहे थे बहुत ही शुद्ध हिंदी बोल रहे थे एंड मुझे बहुत गर्व है।
I really I know auntie is going to agree. I need to take auntie's classes.
जी हाँ, अब तो वर्चुअल भी हो चुका है सब जमाना।
आंटी
तुम
का
अपने
बच्चे
घर
तो
पे बैठे बैठे
सिम्बा को भी हिंदी क्लासेस दे दे।
जी हाँ, तो आज मैं काफी अच्छी न्यूज लेकर आई हूँ।
आज मैं ऊपर
नहीं, आज मैं बहुत अच्छी न्यूज लेकर आई हूँ। आई थिंक सो। लेकिन उससे पहले सबको हमारे पूरे नमस्ते रेडियो, मतलब हम तीनों की तरफ से और हमारे पूरे नमस्ते रेडियो परिवार की तरफ से सारे केरला को, ऑल मलयालीज को हैप्पी ओणम। यम्मी जो खाना बनता है ओणम में, माय गुडनेस, इट्स सो अमेजिंग। एंड द sarees that the ladies wear, we had spoken about it even last year, I had mentioned this. I love the cream color sarees with the golden border. They look so beautiful. So जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है, Onam is an annual holiday and festival celebrated in Kerala in India. It is a harvest festival, but according to legends, the festival is celebrated to commemorate King Mahabali, whose spirit is said to visit Kerala at the time of Onam.
Okay.
Onam is a major annual event for Malayali people in and outside Kerala. So again, सब केरला के लोगों को, सारे लोगों को हम सब की तरफ से हैप्पी ओणम।
और एक केरला में टैगलाइन चलती है ना, गॉड्स ओन लैंड।
यस, एंड लाइक आई सेड,
बाकी की धरती गॉड की लैंड नहीं है क्या?
उनकी अपनी टैगलाइन है, सबकी अपनी अपनी टैगलाइन होती है। एंड जैसे मैंने पहले भी याद है हमने बात की थी कि केरला इज द मोस्ट लिटरेट व्हेन इट कम्स टू एजुकेशन स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया। पंजाब में भी फ्रॉम द अदर साइड,
from the north,
फ्रॉम द पीछे, लाइक मोस्ट लीस्ट लिटरेट।
तभी तुम पंजाबी सीखना चाह रही थी।
लैंग्वेज अपनी जगह, कल्चर अपनी जगह है, लेकिन यहाँ पे लिटरेसी की बात हो रही है।
अच्छा।
एंड जहाँ पे लिटरेसी की बात होती है, जहाँ पे इंग्लिश की बात होती है, literacy doesn't mean only English, but I am right now saying about English. I am talking about this English community newspaper here in Houston. We want to thank them for their support and thank them for their service to the greater Houston community for 25 and actually about 30 years now here. And you can subscribe to them at india-herald.com. जी हाँ, I am talking about India Herald. Or just follow them on Facebook for latest news updates. Email them with your email ID. You will get their e-newspaper digitally at home. यार, कहीं जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं।
Actually, your dad showed me yesterday at the gala that India Herald posted a picture of the Zoom meeting that the census.
Yes.
India Herald had that on the front page.
हाँ, और मेरे को उनको बोलना है कि मेरा फोटो क्रेडिट किधर है। It was taken by वंशिका विपिन वर्मा।
Okay. They will do that.
लेकिन शेषाद्री जी जो है ना, इंडिया हेरल्ड के जो ओनर, वो बहुत स्वीट हैं और वी रियली वांट टू थैंक देम फॉर ऑलवेज बीइंग देयर एंड सपोर्टिंग नमस्ते रेडियो एवर सिंस इट्स इंसेप्शन।
एब्सोल्युटली।
सो थैंक यू सो मच शेषाद्री जी। सो संदीप, इससे पहले हम 3:15 हमारी जो प्यारी सी लिन है आलिंग्स चाइनीज से, वो आए, एक छोटा सा गाना लगा दें और फिर थोड़ी 2-3 मिनट न्यूज पे बात करें।
I'm pretty sure Sushil sang this for you at some point or the other, right?
नहीं,
I don't think so. No.
नहीं।
ख्वाब जैसे उजली किरण जैसे वन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे नरमी की बात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
I'm surprised he hasn't sang this song.
नहीं, मुझे ये गाना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
Oh, you don't like this song?
No.
Why?
इतना बचपन में घिसा है ये गाना, इतना सुना है, हर चीज में ये गाना, हर वर्डिंग्स बदल बदल के ये गाना सुना है. बाय गॉड, आई हेट दिस सॉन्ग.
हमें एक वर्जन सुना ना वर्डिंग्स बदल बदल के.
पता नहीं, बहुत चीजें थी.
By the way, you were supposed to sing for us. Are we getting that today? No.
No. But we are moving towards the world and local news.
Okay.
And मैं बता दूँ,
just like that.
Yes, just like that. We are moving towards that section because it is brought to you by India Herald. So a proud moment for Houston and Houstonians. Houston has been ranked third in entire world in cities of the future analysis. Wow. तो लोगों जो ह्यूस्टन में नहीं हैं, इधर उधर हैं यूएसए में, सारे आ जाओ ह्यूस्टन.
As they're already doing that as it is. That's
I
why
know.
more the highways are expanding.
Yes, Houston is expanded, and how in the last 20 years of my living here, at least, it's been crazy. So yes, confirming its global power status. So Houston secures the third spot for being a reputable talent hub, boasting 5 of the world's top 500 universities, which is Rice and University of Houston. And University of Houston का credit तो definitely Dr. Renu Khator को जाता है. So proud of you know, an Indian American leading there.
This one says, I love how this one says Dallas and Austin are far behind.
Oh, I love that. I love that. And placing second in the world in business expansion with 53 new projects between May 2015 and April 2020. So this is before COVID, because after COVID we are not taking anything in consideration. And yes, this was something that I was really proud of. So that's why I wanted to bring this news to everybody. और साथ साथ जैसे आज हमारा वोटिंग का सिलसिला शुरू हो रहा है, because elections are nearing November. So because of keeping in mind COVID, this time I was reading Toyota Center and all other NBA arenas will serve as voting centers for 2020 presidential election. Yeah. So let me ask you, Sandeep, are you going out to vote?
But you can do it. I will do it. There's places near me that will do it. But I'll take the safety measures, right?
Sure. Yeah. So you are going to be voting, right?
Oh, yeah.
Social, you are going to be
Absolutely.
voting. Right? I already know who for too.
I am going to be voting too. I also know who you are voting. In fact, everybody around me knows who they are voting for. But that's a different topic altogether. Yeah. लेकिन yes, हम सब जरूर जाएंगे, वोट करेंगे for the president that we want, and definitely for all the
because I think around that time, because of the late start to the suspension of the season, now they're able to the next season won't start till December.
Yes.
So they're able to use the arenas, right?
Yes.
For that time.
Yes. And एक sad news कोविड के वजह से ये है कि अमेरिकन एयरलाइंस इज गोइंग टू कट 19,000 जॉब्स दिस फॉल. सो अब क्या हो गया है कि जब कोविड ने हिट किया, एवरीबडी अप्लाइड फॉर PPPs एंड ऑल दैट. पीपल गॉट अप्रूव्ड, दे गॉट पेड, बट नाउ कंपनीज आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ दैट मनी. So now is the time where every company and even small businesses are going to get hit more, because people are running out of that PPP money. So people are now, especially now, the big companies are letting go of people. They are furloughing a lot of employees. So ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ ठीक हो गया है, कोविड के बाद सब ठीक है, लेकिन बहुत कुछ प्रॉब्लम अभी भी चल रही है. So let's get into a 20-second song, and then we will be back and we will talk to Lynn from Aling's Chinese.
This is one of the songs that Pankaj Tripathi played a good role in movies 3.
Yeah. So that was a nice welcome song for Lynn, huh? क्या बात है.
मिलेगी मिलेगी
मिलेगी मिलेगी. आप जब आलिंग्स जाओगे लिन जरूर आपको मिलेगी.
मिलेगी ऋतिक रोशन मिलेगी.
ओह मिलेगी मिलेगी ऋतिक रोशन मिलेगी. That's right. लेकिन अगर आप आलिंग्स चाइनीज जाओगे आपको लिन जरूर मिलेगी उधर. And you cannot miss the beautiful lady with that beautiful smile. And we are talking about Arling's Chinese located at 6542 Highway 90. And now, I have the honor, and it's really my honor to invite Lynn. She's going to be so upset with me right now. But Lynn, welcome to Namaste Radio from Arling's Chinese Cuisine.
Hello.
Namaste.
Hi, Lynn.
नमस्ते लिन. बहुत लड़के सीटियां बजा रहे हैं आपके लिए.
हाय लिन, मैं ही बजा रहा था.
हाँ, पता है.
मुझे पता है. How are you, Lynn?
I am well. How are y'all doing?
We're doing great.
Very, very, very good. So welcome, Lynn, again to Namaste Radio. And again, thank you so much to you and everybody at Arling's Chinese Cuisine for supporting Namaste. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vanshika. Thank you for inviting me over today.
Thank
to
you.
Talk to you guys.
Same here. And now, please tell us, how is everything at Arling's Chinese going? What's new at Arling's?
So everything is going well at Arling's. People are coming in to dine in. Our patio is open, so people have been outside, dining outside. Things are progressing better now, as I guess people are, would like to come out and spend time with their families. So dine-in has improved. We still have our takeouts going well. People pick up their orders from the window. And, of course, now we have Grubhub as well alongside Uber Eats. So there are more options for delivery, for ordering.
Wow.
So we are doing well, well as can be. We are, no complaints at all. Always grateful and thankful to all the Houstonians for supporting Arling. And we're really excited because we have also planning to do all our outdoor events too. So we have been busy with that, trying to get things together. If people are not aware of it, our Arling's page, there are pictures out on the page where you can get more information or just contact Irfan at Arling's.
Wow, yeah, I saw those pictures. They looked good. And I've, seen so many of your catering pictures when you all do catering. I mean, those trays, those pictures, they looked so good. So these outdoor events is something like you will be able to do it at people's home, or is there some place at Arling's? How are you all planning to do that?
So we have different options, Vanshika. We have our boxed meals, which a lot of people are calling in for that. The boxed meals are going really well. You have the options of getting rice and noodle with entree. So you can have an option of one entree or two or three. And then also that comes alongside with appetizer. So there are many options available for our guests and people who would like to have events. We do have our, at Arling's itself outside, we can accommodate up to 50 people at one time with keeping in mind all the safety measures, all the guidelines as well. So we're really excited. This is something that we are trying out, and we are hoping, people will come out, celebrate. There's so many things to do, which we haven't done for so many months now.
Yes.
So I think it's time to get together and kind of like, life moves on. So we have to just celebrate with friends and family.
Oh, yes. And it is that time of the year, right? We're nearing Christmas time. So a lot of celebrations, it's just festive time jab aata hai, to it's a different feeling altogether, right? I just feel things can get better and better and better as we near the Christmas time, and all of us can, without any tension, celebrate Christmas this year, right?
Yes, absolutely. I totally agree with you.
So how is, you guys have still continued the meals distribution to first responders. We keep seeing pictures. Even so many people have been, coming forward and thanking you all actually. People even I've met and they're like, oh my God, Arlings has done this and they've given food. They've been doing such great work. So tell us about it that, you all are continuing it even now. So how is that going? How do you all take time out for that with things are getting busy for you all again now?
No, I mean, we are really happy we are able to do this. We still continue with, providing meals for our medical professionals. They are working tirelessly even now. COVID has not stopped and the cases are still up. So as long as they are out there working and they are, working so hard to keep everyone safe, we are out there to, to help and support them as well. So we are really grateful and happy for even the community because a lot of people have been in touch with us and, they would like to contribute too. So this is a great way for all of us to get together and show our appreciation. So we are really happy and humbled to continue to do this, to do this work, as well as we will do it as long as it's needed. And Arlings will always be there. The community has always been there for us. So we are very fortunate to be able to give back.
Wow, so proud of you all. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vanshika. Thank you, Sushil and Dolly Deep, for always supporting us on Namaste Radio. We, we are not only advertisers, but we are also just family and friends. We have just become a family now, and thank you so much for all that you guys do and support Arlings.
Yeah. Pleasure goes before you both ways, Len. Thank you so much.
Before you go, Len, just want to ask you real quick. So when COVID started back in March, of course, we had the lockdown, but now that things are, slowly getting back to normal, do you see more people out now? Do you see more people coming? Of course, before when it started, it was, just takeouts, but now that dine-in is open, do you see more people starting to come out now?
Yes, a lot of people are coming out. They are dining in. We have a lot of families, and honestly, the guests have been so supportive. Even when they come, they know we have to separate the parties, and they're all okay with that. They understand that it is not something that we have put out there, the rules and regulations. So it is by the city itself. And actually, our dine-in is increasing slowly but surely. So we are really happy and really grateful to see people. And the thing is that we get to talk to our customers again. We get to, they come here, they share their stories. And that is, I guess, the most important part of Arlings, is getting to talk to our guests again and not just saying hi and bye from the window or, so that has been really great for since past weeks or so. We're really happy about that.
That's awesome. By the way, we have somebody that wants to say hi to you. He wrote it on Facebook is by the name of Irfan.
He's probably sitting right next to her.
Yeah.
Do you know anybody by that name?
Do you know anybody that?
Do you know anyone called Irfan Motiwala? But again, Lynn, thank you so much. You said it, but I want to repeat that it's not about just the business. It's like y'all are family, and we are so glad that we are able to work together during these times with y'all, and we can support each other. We can just be with each other. So thank you so much to you and everybody at Arlings. Y'all mean a lot to Namaste. Ever since its inception, y'all have been there, stood by us, guided us in the right direction. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vanshika. Before I leave, just one request, since, Irfan is saying hi to me. If you could play one of Anushka's movie songs for him, that's his favorite actress.
I was just getting into one right now.
Anushka Sharma?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you believe it? It was already planned. My God. We even...
Oh, my God.
So
I'm sure Irfan's thinking of Anushka when this song comes on.
Does Irfan know that Anushka Sharma is pregnant?
Yeah.
Now he does.
I don't know.
You should tell him that now.
Now he does.
But Lynn, before you go, is there anything else you want to tell all our listeners, viewers about Alings? And then we'll play the song for you and Irfan for sure.
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone and for their continued support. And of course, just, enjoy. Life is short, as we all say, so just enjoy, celebrate with your families, and spend precious moments and times with your friends and family.
Thank you, Lynn, and enjoy that tea now.
Thank you. Y'all take care.
You too.
You
Take care, Lynn.
And
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This song here for Irfan. Before, probably, let's see, would he still sing it now that she's pregnant?
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनू, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक, और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। कैसी मजबूरी, मैंने नजरों से तुझे छू लिया, ओहो कभी तेरी खुशबू, कभी तेरी बातें, बिन मांगे ये जहां पा लिया, तू ही दिल की है रौनक, तू ही जन्मों की दौलत, और कुछ ना जानू, बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या।
एक और एक जगह जहाँ पे रब दिखता है, हे बताओ अंजलि।
जी हाँ, वहाँ रब ज़रूर दिखता है, महसूस भी होता है। वैसे तो रब अपने दिल में और हर जगह महसूस होता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ज़रूर जाइए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रब वाकई में आपको आशीर्वाद देते हैं। और आजकल चल रहा है श्री महासिद्धि विनायक उत्सव, तो बोलो गणपति बप्पा मोरया। तो टिल मंडे या ट्यूसडे तक, कब तक है ये, 1 सितंबर तक, दैट इज ट्यूसडे, गणपति जी का उत्सव चल रहा है। तो जाइए सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल, बट बी श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट वेरी क्लोज टू समवन एल्स। महापूजा है 5:30, महाआरती है 6:30 बजे, एंड मास्क आर नेसेसरी, सो मेंटेन दैट 6 feet distance. And devotees who want to sit in the puja for the Ganesh Aarti, please call Pandit Pradeep Pandya ji at 832-466-9868. It is located at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701. और अगर आप मंदिर नहीं जाना चाहते हैं, घर पे बैठे बैठे ही आरती देखना चाहते हैं, तो फॉलो देम ऑन फेसबुक, गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल। एंड इसी टाइम पे मैं एक और बात ज़रूर कहना चाहती हूँ, दैट डेफिनेटली आप डोनेट करिए मंदिर में। उनका एक फंड रेजर भी चल रहा है उनके फेसबुक पेज में, गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल, या प्रदीप पांड्या जी के फेसबुक पेज पे, तो आप जाइए और डोनेट करिए। एंड श्राद्ध शुरू होने वाले हैं जैसे ही गणेश उत्सव ख़त्म होता है 2 तारीख से। तो याद रखिए, इस बार भी जैसे हमने पहले भी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करी थी, मंदिर को ज़रूरत है, तो आप इस बार श्राद्ध में जितना भी आपको लगता है ज़रूर कैश दीजिए, तो उससे ज़्यादा खुशी की बात कोई नहीं होगी, ताकि वो पैसा सही जगह पे लग सके और जो श्राद्ध है भगवान जिनके लिए आप कर रहे हैं उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले। सही जगह पे सही चीज़ करने से ही सब कुछ अच्छा होता है। तो गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल, अगेन पंडित जी का नंबर बता देती हूँ, 8324669868। गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो, मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो।
Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center has over 15 years expertise in blood pressure control, kidney stone and kidney transplant management, hemo and peritoneal dialysis, specializing in chronic kidney disease from diabetes, high blood pressure, and autoimmune diseases. They promote the use of advanced technology in their business practice and treat their patients with a customized approach. All insurances, Medicare and Medicaid accepted. They have 3 convenient locations for you in Sugar Land, Medical Center, and West Houston area. For Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal, board certified in nephrology, visit their website at bozenhealth.com or call 713-520-6875 for appointments. That's 713-520-6875.
Though the times are uncertain, let's savor our little moments. Moments of families being together. Moments like when your favorite meal arrives at Arling's or at your home. Little moments matter the most, and Arling's is here to make those moments happen. Arling's Chinese, open for dine-in, delivery and takeout. Open to make those moments. Visit us at arlingschinese.com.
Are you feeling down, dull, and tired? Don't lose yourself in this pandemic. Let us help you get out of this cocoon feeling beautiful and relaxed. Rediscover yourself at the Classy Divas Salon and Spa.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
आ गया है महाराजा भोग में मैंगो फेस्टिवल, आमरस का स्वाद महाराजा भोग के साथ.
Different kinds of unlimited mango items on the menu every day.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes भी available हैं. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty only at Maharaja Bhog.
आज मेरे पास बिल्डिंगें हैं, प्रॉपर्टी है, बैंक बैलेंस है, बंगला है, गाड़ी है, क्या है तुम्हारे पास?
मेरे पास नमस्ते रेडियो है.
वेलकम बैक टू नमस्ते रेडियो. जी हाँ, हम आते हैं हर संडे 1 से 5 बजे 10:50 AM पे फेसबुक लाइव पे. हम हमारी ऐप्स पे आप सुन सकते हैं हमें, और नमस्ते रेडियो Houston.com पे भी सुन सकते हैं. एंड आप बोल दीजिए एलेक्सा को प्ले नमस्ते रेडियो लाइव, तो आप हमें सुन सकते हैं. तो अब आगे बढ़ेंगे. ये आ गया है वो टाइम वेयर सुशील ब्रिंग्स अमेजिंग टॉपिक्स एंड वी डिस्कस अबाउट इट. But before that, let me not forget and remind you all about Classy Diva Salon and Spa. बहुत अच्छी वीकली डील्स चल रही हैं और ज़रूर जाइए उधर. फील रिलैक्स्ड, फील ब्यूटिफुल. They do amazing facials. So contact Ruby at 856-693-8970. Classy Diva Salon and Spa. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram.
That's right. हम हर संडे आपके लिए बिटवीन 3:30 to 4 o'clock सम इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स लेके आते हैं. वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट क्वारंटीन में क्या करना है, टॉप 10 थिंग्स यू कैन डू, टॉप 10 फूड्स व्हिच आर पॉइजनस फॉर यू, top 10 foods which are good for you, national foods of countries, etc, etc, even top 10 shares you should buy. We have done all that. इस बार कुछ अलग लेके आए हैं.
अलग
कोशिश है.
Okay.
So the 17 most expensive materials in the world.
17 most expensive material.
Materials in the world.
Material.
Yes. और इसका जो price है, we'll talk about the price in terms of US dollars per gram.
Wow. Okay.
Weight के हिसाब से per gram.
ये तो मोनू का क्लोजअप दिख रहा है अब.
तो मोनू आपको ये बता रहा है कि lot of people actually still believe that gold is the most expensive material in the world. So like gold is a material, right?
And especially these days, gold का price बहुत अच्छा है.
But people think it's the most expensive material in the world. However, that is absolutely wrong.
Oh really?
It is
Wrong?
not correct.
Oh.
Yes. तो हम we'll talk about the 16 top 16 most expensive material in the world. We'll start from lowest to highest price.
Okay.
So bottom to top. Number 16. This is something we Desis use a lot of this in our food, and it's very expensive, by the way.
Oh, I know. Saffron.
Saffron.
Oh.
That's correct.
I could see it, but नाम नहीं याद आ रहा था.
It is saffron, exactly. That is correct. So saffron is it's a unique spice. That's what I always call it, combining fantastic taste and great health benefits as well. Actually,
that's true. And biryani में बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Its production and the reason it's expensive is because its production process is highly time consuming and effort consuming. But the flavors and healing properties of saffron are unequaled by any other spice in the world. So that's why it is most expensive.
And the natural color and इतनी छोटी सी डिब्बी, you know, पता नहीं, like 1 inch kind of a डब्बा, that I have paid like $38 for it.
Wow.
Yeah, but then that saffron lasts you like long.
और हमारे देसी कल्चर में भी बोला जाता है कि for pregnant women कि saffron हल्दी वाला honey, what is it called?
आपने मेरी तरफ क्यों इशारा किया? Pregnant.
संदीप की तरफ कर रहा था यार.
संदीप तो pregnant.
Why? I'm not pregnant. Come on now.
No, so he was listening. अरे क्या बोलते हैं यार? I needed help. Saffron को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? केसर वाला दूध बोलते हैं ना, पियो. That's what it is. So the price of saffron is roughly about $11 per gram.
जी हाँ.
11 per gram. Number 15 पे आते हैं. Number 15. This is where all the desi ladies love this material. मैंने इसका मेंशन भी किया था. जो आपकी मॉम ने लॉकर में रखा हुआ है, आपको दे नहीं रही.
Gold.
Sona, Mona, yellow Sona. Number 15 is Sona. The most well-known precious metal in the world that no woman can supposedly do without. That's what gold they say. Gold has been worshipped from time, immoral. भगवान पे चढ़ता है, मूर्तियों पे चढ़ता है, घर में चढ़ता है, कहाँ नहीं होता है. The beauty of gold is everywhere. और बीवियों पे भी चढ़ता है. और सबसे बड़ी जो कंट्री जहाँ पे गोल्ड ही गोल्ड है, वहाँ पे इनफैक्ट आइसक्रीम के फ्लेक्स भी गोल्ड में मिलते हैं. That is Dubai.
Oh, Dubai. Yeah, Dubai gold is very good.
Capital of gold, Dubai.
Yes. But ये एक सही बात नहीं है. हर लड़की को पसंद है. I'm not a gold fan, to be very honest, and I hate yellow gold.
50 तोला पसंद नहीं. 50 तोला.
I'll be very honest. I don't like yellow gold. I just hate it. I don't like wearing.
But you're mistaken. Gold can be in white gold as well.
I know, but I'm just talking about mostly, Dubai gold. या लोग ज़्यादातर gold, Indian gold is mostly yellow gold, right? वो बड़े set अजीब लगते हैं.
तो gold का average price is about $56 per gram.
11 से केसर से 56 हो गया.
तो हमने बात कर ली सैफरन की, गोल्ड की. नंबर 14 rhodium.
Yes.
Rhodium. So rhodium is a metal of the platinum group.
जी, इनकी भी ज्वेलरी बनती है.
इनकी भी, and it's an extremely rare one actually. Yeah. So to give you a bigger picture actually, let's say that 1 ton of Earth's crust contains about 0.001 gram of rhodium.
Wow.
So it's extremely rare. That's why. And price of rhodium is about $58 per gram.
Whoa.
समझे?
58.
Yeah. Number 13. This one I like actually. It's platinum.
Yeah, platinum is very good.
I like platinum. So platinum is also a rare and precious metal of a silvery steel color, जो हम जानते हैं. So like gold, it's highly resistant to acids, alkali, they call it, in other compounds.
Okay.
So usually men ring platinum होती है.
It's more heavier than gold actually, and it's more expensive than gold obviously, because price of platinum goes about $60 per gram.
तो संदीप तो अपनी शादी में ना platinum ring बनाना अपने लिए.
अपने जितने भी रिश्तेदार हैं ना, रिश्तेदार उनको platinum गिफ्ट करना. हम
संदीप मुझे diamonds पसंद है.
When I think platinum, I think like I'm gonna make my album song platinum.
तू अपनी एल्बम बना, हमें मटेरियल प्लैटिनम गिफ्ट कर देना.
जी हाँ.
Done.
इसी पे एक गाना ब्रेक लेते हैं, उसके बाद आके इसको कंटिन्यू करते हैं.
This I'm sure you let me just play a few seconds. Let's see if you can guess it.
तेरी अदाओं पे
I
मरता
can't trick
हूँ।
this guy.
बरसात
मरता हूँ लव तुझे लव मैं करता हूँ तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ लव तुझे लव मैं करता हूँ तुझसे बिछड़ने से डरती हूँ तुझसे बिछड़ने से डरती हूँ लव तुझे लव मैं करती हूँ तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ लव तुझे लव मैं करता हूँ तेरी अदाओं पे मरता हूँ लव तुझे लव मैं करता हूँ
जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं आपसे the 16 most expensive materials in the world, and this segment of the show, this topic is brought to you by none other than a friend of the community and a great doctor and a great person, that is Dr. Namrata Sharma Goyal at Kidney Health Center. Give her a call today. She does specialize in chronic kidney disease, from diabetes to high blood pressure and autoimmune diseases. She's the right person to talk to, especially जो हम देसियों में होता है ये सब issues. Give her a call today, 713-520-6875, an expert at her field. Once again, her number is 713-520-6875, or you can visit her online at bosenhealth.com.
That's right.
तो बात कर रहे हैं 17 most expensive materials in the world. Sorry, 16. My bad, 16. Number 16 पे आता है saffron, which is $11 per gram. Number 15, gold, $56 per gram.
Gold.
Number 14 is rhodium, $58 per gram. Number 13 we talked about was platinum, which is $60 per gram. $2 ऊपर बढ़ रहा है. Number 12. I don't know how to pronounce the full name of this, but I know a short form. It's called meth.
Oh, I've heard of meth, yeah.
Methamphetamine, something that it's called, right? It's very difficult for me to pronounce. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Meth. A short form was called meth, and you know what is meth used for, right?
Huh?
Meth. You know what meth is used for, right? So there's a show on Netflix. It's called Breaking Bad.
Oh yeah.
So this is what the protagonists of Breaking Bad were cooking, is meth actually in the show. It's prohibited by law, and you did do well if you don't see this in person actually ever. So it's a drug.
I know. I've heard it. I mean, I've heard about it.
Methapine, I think that's what it's called. Methapine, something like that.
Context to that only. So yeah.
So the price is average roughly about $100 per gram.
Oh wow.
That's why it's very expensive. $100 per gram. Wow. That's why it's very expensive. Wow. Number 12 पे था meth. Number 11. This is one thing I'm totally against. I don't support this at all. Rhinoceros horn.
Oh.
Okay.
Really?
I know.
No, I'm animal cruelty. Please,
animal cruelty. So rhino's horn is basically one of the most prized possessions. Even elephant horn.
No.
Thorns. No, elephant. Elephant tusks. I'm sorry.
No.
So lot of people, a lot of elephants get killed for their tusks, right?
Oh.
And so do rhinoceros. You don't know about this?
No, I know,
of course.
but I mean, I know that.
Yep.
But
So although science has proven that rhino horn has no medical properties, because a lot of people think it does, they are still considered valuable because of this property and a great knife handles. So they used to make knife handles because of poachers, poor rhinos are already on the verge of extinction. Actually, if you guys don't know this. So जागो इंसान जागो, rhino के horn में कोई medicinal property नहीं है. Price of rhino horn goes about $110 per gram.
oh my god, really?
That's why it's expensive. ये फेवरेट है सबका. नंबर 10. इस पे चलो मैं तुम्हारे साथ क्विज खेलता हूँ. इस पे मूवी बनी है. ये जो मटेरियल, उसका नाम ही एक मूवी बनी है. इस पे जो तुम्हारी जो फेवरेट है, उसने इसका मेन कैरेक्टर प्ले किया था.
तो your favorite? Our favorite?
Kareena.
हाँ, करीना ने, और इस पे प्ले किया था. वो मूवी का जो नाम है एक्चुअली प्रोफेशन. Heroine.
Oh. Heroin.
Yeah.
Heroin.
Yes.
Number 10.
I was thinking of that, but then I was like, wait, is it?
So it's number 10. There's still things costlier than that. Okay.
Yes, heroin. So you know why heroin is very expensive? It's not easy to produce.
Plus, it's not legal, right?
No, of course not at all.
Yeah, so that's why. Yeah.
So it's better that you never see it. But if the movies speak any truth, it's very hard to get, and that's probably why it's so expensive.
That's right.
Heroin. Price of heroin is about $130 per gram.
130.
$130 per gram. Number 9. There is a show on Netflix. इसका 4 सीजन हो गए. Queen of the South. पूरा शो इसी पे बेस्ड है. ये मटेरियल
Still
पे.
have yet to watch that.
पूरा मटेरियल जो पूरा शो में डील हो रहा है. What is it about?
Coke.
Coca. That's what they call it. Coca.
It's
Coca.
not that coke.
So it's coke.
Yeah.
Cocaine.
Yeah, cocaine. Yeah.
Cocaine.
Number 9 पे है the most expensive material in the world is cocaine. So cocaine is a drug that costs a fortune yet won't do you any good or whatsoever. This white crystal powder is a fatally dangerous narcotic because overdose of this will actually kill you.
Absolutely.
It's higher price as compared to the one above it because meth के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. And of course it's explained by its purity and the naturalness. That's why it's more expensive. But it doesn't mean you have to do it.
Yeah.
And not everybody can afford it.
Do not do it.
That's why it's $236 per gram. It's its price.
Whoa.
ये तो कुछ भी नहीं मेरे दोस्त. आगे बढ़ते बढ़ते मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा और कितनी महंगी चीजें. एक डीजे वाले बाबू एक गाना बजा दो, उसके बाद फटाफट आके आगे की भी चीजें बता देंगे.
Locked here.
है अब मैं क्या है जी है सब है हमारे पास सब है.
अच्छा
जी हम बात करें the 16 most expensive materials in the world. आगे का जो ये सेगमेंट है is brought to you.
It is brought to you by Faciliclean.
Woohoo!
So firstly, we want to thank Faciliclean for supporting Namaste Radio. We are so happy to have them in our Namaste Radio family. So definitely reach out to them because they are one of the most essential services that you need right now in your houses or in your business. Full service cleaning, sanitizing and disinfecting company hai. So call them at 713-234-5003. That's 713-234-5003. Visit them at faciliclean.com or their Facebook or Instagram page, Faciliclean.
जी हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं 16 most expensive materials in the world. Number 9 we said was Coca. Coke, $236 per gram. Number 8 पे है LSD. Not love sex धोखा. The drug LSD itself. उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
वो सूच है.
LSD. It's capsules में होता है वो. Normally it's a kind of drug. Capsules. It's a psychoactive narcotic substance.
But it's another illegal one, right?
Of course. Yeah. It's a psychoactive narcotic substance, and it's a very expensive delayed death. That's what they call it. The manufacturing process of this semi-synthetic drug is quite difficult. That's why the cost is very high. It roughly goes about $3,000 per gram. LSD का प्राइस है. तो बॉस अगर कोई भी सुन रहा है तो कोई पुलिस मेरे को नहीं चाहिए कि मेरे को ये सब प्राइजेस मैं सब चीज़ें ऑनलाइन ढूंढ के लेके आता हूँ. मेरे को कुछ पता नहीं चीज़ों के बारे में. नंबर 7 की बात करते हैं. दिस इज वन थिंग आई लाइक द नेम ऑफ इटसेल्फ बिकॉज वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट मार्वल कैरेक्टर्स. कोई अपनी एनर्जी के लिए चाहिए होता ना. जो उड़ता है.
Iron Man.
Louis Clark.
Kryptonite. No.
Plutonium, wasn't it plutonium? वो planet was plutonium where he came from, right?
Iron Man.
No.
Superman.
Louis Clark कब से Iron Man बन गया?
Superman.
मैं तो Superman.
Yeah, I know. Sushil is a Superman fan. Yeah.
I'm a Spider-Man and Superman fan.
Yeah.
Both.
DC Comics.
So now you know his birthday party's theme is Superman.
It's not Marvel, by the way. It's DC Comics.
Oh, it's DC Comics. I'm sorry.
That's what I was like. Marvel is
DC.
Iron or those
this
guys.
is the only Iron Man is. This is Marvel.
DC. No, Spider-Man is Marvel.
Yeah, but Spider-Man doesn't go this way. In Marvel, only Iron Man goes this way. Like
तो मैंने कहा ना Louis Clark. I said Louis Clark. अच्छा तो सब यार. Plutonium, number 7.
Oh, plutonium.
Yeah, so plutonium.
Why did I think kryptonite? I don't know why.
I don't know why he said kryptonite. Plutonium.
Well, no, that's what affects him, doesn't it?
Kryptonite affects him, yes.
Yeah,
but plutonium was the planet he came from? Was it?
I think so, yeah, the planet.
So plutonium, it's a heavy yet a fragile radioactive metal of a silvery white color. It uses vary from production of nuclear weapons and fuel to a source of energy for spacecrafts. That's what plutonium is used for. The price of plutonium is roughly about $4,000 per gram. Number 6, I've never heard of this before. It's called pienite. Pienite. It's a reddish color. See, this is what it looks like. It's a stone. So so this stone is so rare that only few people have actually heard of it and knows that it exists. It's a mineral of an orange or reddish brown color, and it was discovered only 65 years ago, by the way.
Only.
Yeah, so there are just a couple of hundred of these stones in the world today because it's very rare to find. The price of the stone is about $9,000 per gram.
9,000 per gram.
So if I find one of those or a few of those, I just want to let you guys know it's nice knowing you.
Yeah. 18,000 में अपने बहन को भूल जाएगा तू.
9,000 है ना. ओ ग्राम की बात कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं बोल रहा है कि 2 मिल जाएंगे.
If I find like 10-20 grams.
तू तो सुपरमैन. सलमान का फैन.
Then you will go like this. Dush.
Number 5 पे आता है Tafit. So yeah, Tafit. So Tafit, it's a precious stone of a violet pinkish red or white color.
It's looking like a topaz stone, but it's pinkish. It's a mix of
violet pink color, reddish.
Yeah.
It's a million times more rarer than a diamond, making it legendary actually. However, despite its uniqueness, it's not very popular when it comes to jewelry, and that's probably the reason why it's relatively inexpensive compared to diamonds.
तेरे को पिछला वाला चाहिए था दीप. मेरे को ये एक काफी है.
So $20,000 per gram or $4,000 per carat.
Yeah, I don't mind like 6-7 grams of this for now.
Number 4 पे आता है tritium. Never heard of this before.
Tritium. Okay.
Tritya, पता नहीं क्या. Tritium, yeah. So tritium is basically, this is a gas which is used in lightning. For example, in tritium illumination, it costs us about $15 million to produce a pound of tritanium.
I need a tritanium.
$15 million to produce a pound. $30,000 per gram.
It's $30,000 per gram. I need this one.
So Sandeep, $15 million to produce a pound of it.
A pound of it.
Wow. This is one thing I like a lot. Number 3 pe hai.
This is my favorite. This is like favorite.
They say these are women's best friends. Diamonds.
Yeah.
The most famous precious stone on earth and the best friend of any lady is diamonds. Diamonds, yeah. Average price of diamonds is about $55,000 per gram. Of course, diamonds are dealt in carat weight. But
10 of those.
$55,000 per gram because हम grams की बात करें. Number 2, the most rarest material in the world is californium. Californium.
ये क्या California में मिलता है?
Dreamam, Vekamam, Uttam, Papitpanam, whatever it is. Californium.
Uttapam.
So californium is the most expensive chemical element ever. It has been synthesized only once since its discovery in 1950s.
Oh.
And this is what it looks like. You can have a look. The reason behind that is its cost. The price is about $25 to $27 million per gram.
Dude, these stones and these different stones are reminding me of my geology class back in University of Houston. Those were days, 25 at the end of the semester we had to recognize which is which, stone, and when you scratch it, how much density, whatever.
I guarantee you कोई lab में नहीं मिलेगा तुम्हें. 25 से 27 million dollar per gram.
27 million. So Deep, I want एक ये चाहिए बस हम दोनों को.
Californium. ये छोड़ो, number 1 ये ले लो. It's called antimatter. Antimatter. Antimatter is the most expensive substance on earth. Production of 1 milligram of positrons cost about $25 million.
This matters.
Yes. So in theory, we will be able to use antimatter as a fuel for spacecrafts in the future. But the drawback today is that to make just 1 gram of it, all of mankind will have to work for about a year without rest. Oh, wow. So you want to know the cost per gram? $62.5 trillion per gram.
What?
ये चाहिए मुझे, ये चाहिए.
इसका 1 ग्राम ले लो.
ये बस आधा ग्राम भी चलेगा मेरे को.
बस.
I don't mind.
ये I think हमारे इकोनॉमी से भी बड़ा है, ज़्यादा है ना. Antimatter, number 1. But as a bonus, I want to tell you guys something that was discovered. Miners in Myanmar had found the world's largest jade stone in a remote mine in Kachin state in the north of the country. The stone is about 14 feet high. I'm talking about jade stone, and 19 feet long, and it weighs approximately 200 tons. इसका price पता ना कितना ना? Of course, it was sent to China, so they can carve it and make jewelry out of it. इसका price about $170 million US.
Deep, चल हम उधर जाके वापस से.
And this is what the stone looks like. I wish I would have sent you pictures so you could put it. This is what the stone looks like.
So that was a good segment, Sushil. एक जल्दी से एक गाने की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, and then Sushil और मैं आप सब से
विदा लेते हैं.
विदा लेंगे.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए, आँखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं, अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो. बहती रहती नहर नदियाँ सी तेरी दुनिया में, मेरी दुनिया.
जी हाँ, तेरी दुनिया में और मेरी दुनिया में सब एक ही है, क्योंकि हम सब एक ही बने हैं. और चाहे हम लोग अलग अलग भगवान को मानते हों, चाहे किसी भी रूप में, लेकिन सब एक ही हैं. और बुरे वक्त में सब साथ में ही रहते हैं. तो किसी से कभी भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं करिए, सबको हमेशा आगे बढ़ के प्यार करिए, मदद करिए, एंड खुशी से सबको एम्ब्रेस करिए. तो इसी नोट पे मैं और सुशील सब आपसे विदा लेते हैं. मेरी तरफ से नमस्ते, खुश रहिए, हैव अ वंडरफुल वीक अहेड, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट संडे. एंड दीप यहाँ पे 5 बजे तक हैं आपको एंटरटेन करने के लिए.
हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए. जीवन एक खूबसूरत सा संगीत है, उस पर सुर सजाते रहिए. Until we meet next time. अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने नेबर्स का रखें, आसपास सफाई बनाए रखें, बिकॉज बॉस ये सफाई का ही टाइम है, ये सफाई का ही ज़माना है. सो बी क्लीन. We'll see you next week.
See you. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
आप सुन रहे हैं नमस्ते रेडियो, मॉडर्न इंडियन रेडियो.
AM 1050 KCHN, Brookshire, Houston.
Let's go! Bollywood entertainment, Bollywood gossip, Bollywood classics, to the latest hits, local news and events happening around town.